Okay, so I have the bubble balancer all put back together. I'm just holding it in a vise right now. The shaft is leveled this way. It's a little bit out this way just because of the way the vise is mounted. But I wanted to show you there's no grease in here or anything. It still has the wobble just like the ones with the super pointed shafts. And if you will notice, see if you can see it, the bubble is off this direction, basically opposite that mark. We will rotate it around, get it to stop moving. The bubble is off the same direction. So that's how you test them. If the bubble is off one way, you rotate it around, the bubble should be off the exact same way. If it doesn't, and the bubble follows the rotation, you have to adjust it. So guys, I don't see why that won't work.